Hello, welcome back, folks. I'm Dr. J, co-founder of TradeMonster.com, here at the world's busiest futures exchange, the CME Group, talking to you about gold. Huge moves out of gold of late, and I believe they will continue into perhaps this big meeting in Jackson Hole, in particular Bernanke's speech, which will be Friday. The meetings start in Jackson Hole before, but we're going to be focused on what Ben Bernanke, the Fed chairman, says at the Jackson Hole event. Obviously, with us just within this much of where the markets were last year, just dial the calendar back a year, folks. As of yesterday's close, we were within 5 S&P points of where the market was prior to the comments out of Jackson Hole last year. So, gold, massive move in the commodity. We talked about unusual buying activity yesterday in the ETF for gold. That would be the GLD. GLD was trading at 182.50. We saw 300,000 shares go across, and that appeared to be matched with the 175 puts in September. Now the GLD subsequently traded up $2 more from that level to close at about 184.50. That's yesterday's news. But the puts, the hedge side, only lost 3 cents yesterday. Now they should have lost considerably more than that. Shows you that there's a big buyer of those puts. In other words, a lot of folks are looking for perhaps a correction into or just after Jackson Hole. Now today the GLD pulled back down to 182.50, and as I'm delivering this information to you, is trading roughly 183. In other words, about 50 cents higher than where it was. But those puts, even though the GLD is up, those puts are also up about 40 cents. That gives you an idea, folks. Puts are supposed to go up when the market goes down, the inverse of calls. So the fact that we've got puts moving up in value, even as the GLD moves up, tells you two things. One, there's a lot of buying interest in those puts. In other words, a lot of smart people want protection, and they want it big time. Two, the volatility has then, by the traders, expanded dramatically in the GLD, because if you've got puts going up when the market's going up, that means volatility is also going up. I will be out in Boston this weekend, by the way. I'll be at the Hyatt Regency in Cambridge, Massachusetts, technically just outside of Boston, in Cambridge, right over there by Harvard. If you'd like to come by for a free investment conference, please do so. Option Animal, as you can see on the link here, is going to be having a free all-day seminar. No credit card to register. I'm not charging anything for my talk. I will be speaking there at the Hyatt Regency, Cambridge, Massachusetts, this Saturday, the 27th of August. Please register to attend. I'm Dr. J, co-founder of TradeMonster.com.